Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get ChatGPT4. So the good news is in 2024 July month, the ChatGPT4 is free for all, but for a limited access. You can ask up to 10 questions to ChatGPT, then in 4, then it will switch to ChatGPT 3.5. So you can use for limited access in ChatGPT4. I'm showing how. You have to go to ChatGPT. Just simply write here ChatGPT and go to ChatGPT login ID and password. Just log in with ID and password, and this is ChatGPT4. You can ask here, is it ChatGPT4? Now you can see that yes, I'm based on the ChatGPT4 architecture. How can I assist you? Okay, you can use this ChatGPT 4 for some limited time or some limited questions. Then it will, if you exceed the question, it will change to ChatGPT 3.5. Okay, so this is how you can access to ChatGPT 4. This is super simple. This is not free. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.